Hey guys, Thad here with Iowa Budget RC, and we're back from vacation. Got this package here, which we will be unboxing here soon. That's from JB's RCs. We won that in one of his contests, and that is the third thing I won, and now I'm giving other people chances to win. He's done like 6 or 7 giveaways, and I've won 3 of them. So I quit guessing because I guess I was guessing too closely, and I want to give other people a chance to win. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This is about my cat who wants to be in the video. No, just kidding. But while we were on vacation, a big battery charger took a dump, and I don't know if it overheated because it was so dang hot out or what happened, but so I ordered one, and it was here when I got back. So let's open it up and see what we got. Packaged well. Got foam on top, foam all around it. This is it's branded as Hoovo, H-O-O-V-O, but it is essentially the IMAX B6. And I know there's clones of these out there, but I'm pretty sure this is the real deal. Nice looking charger. Look at all the venting. That tells me that this thing is real, because the fake one does not have, it only has like a few of the vents on the bottom, and this one has a ton of them, and so that tells me that this is the real thing. It came with all these leads to hook everything up, plus just a set of alligator clips that you can hook to a 12-volt battery and use as your power source if you want to charge it off your car battery. These are different. You got your JST type plug, you got your Dean's plugs, male and female, and so you can pretty much charge whatever you want, because you can get adapters from every Dean's, or from Dean's to everything. And then we've got the power supply, which most of these chargers you have to separately buy your own power supply, and this one actually comes with it. So that's kind of nice. And let's look at the directions here that come with it. So we got the IMAX B6 80-watt instruction manual. Printed in China, of course, because, you know, all this stuff's made in China anymore. But it's very well laid out. Tells you how to use it. Whatever. You can use this for lithium ion, you can use this for lipo, you can use this for nickel metal hydride, you can use it for NiCad, and even a lead battery. So that's kind of nice. But anyway, this was I think $32 or something like that on Amazon, and I'd say it's well worth it because if you're looking for a balance charger, which I highly recommend if you're in this hobby, you need a good one and one that will work. And the one that I had before was a GT Power B3, I believe, similar to this one and looks very similar, but it worked. And like I say, I don't know if it got overheated because of it was so dang hot there at the campground, but it was time to replace it, and so I replaced it with this one. And like I say, I highly recommend getting one of these if you're in the market for a charger, because the price is right and they work really good. So anyway, guys, with that, I'm Thad with Iowa Budget RC. Have a great day, and hit that like and subscribe.